Difficult clients are part of being in business. And while we do a fairly thorough job of screening through what we call a discovery conversation to make sure that we don't get those clients in, sometimes they do slip in. And it's important that if they slip in, that we do our very best to mitigate that risk. Now, I have absolutely been one to say, hey man, I can return the parts right now. If you want me to return the parts, if you're unhappy with the price, if you're unhappy with the service, if you're unhappy with any aspect of this, please tell me. And I'll write this off right now. I would rather have you upset about me telling you, no, I don't want to do the job, or you not getting your car fixed right now, than I would have you upset after spending $2,000, $3,000, $5,000, $6,000. We just had it happen. And I'm pretty blunt about it. I'm pretty bold. Like, hey, if you don't like what I sell, that's okay. I don't have to have you as a client. I've got plenty of work to do. And sometimes they just won't take no for an answer. They just want to be upset. Doesn't matter where they go. Doesn't matter who they work with. It's always a problem. And those people, I'm going to tell you something. You better slow down before you judge them, because you never know what they've been through. You never know what's on the inside that's making them act that way. You never know what they've been through in life that's made them bitter, sad, angry, upset, whatever it may be. Now, it's not our responsibility to fix that for them. But I believe in treating other human beings with kindness. I remember telling you a few weeks back that statement that the other business's business coach made. Can you afford someone a smile they do not deserve? If you're not willing to slow down, take a moment and understand that their frustration, their aggravation, while you are the brunt, you are the target of it. It has nothing to do with you. If we were willing to pass around a little more kindness in this world, I think the world would be a different and better place. I get why we don't do it, but listen, it's not about winning. It's not about being right. It's about loving and respecting other human beings. I know us big, tough, greasy mechanics say, oh, I'm not falling for that hoppy scotch. I don't believe that. Let me tell you something. When you do, your life will get better. I promise. You'll deal with less stress. You'll deal with less frustration. You'll deal with less heartache when you learn to respect other human beings. Take a deep breath. Take a step back and realize it has nothing to do with you. Their hurt, their pain, their anger, they might be angry at you in this exact moment, in this exact scenario. Normal human beings don't act that way. Normal human beings don't treat other human beings that way. And so you just need to realize they're going through something. And if you were going through something as well, you'd want them to respect and take a deep breath. You'd want them to look at you with a little bit of kindness and offer a smile you didn't deserve. Y'all have a good one.